Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope everybody is fine. I am Dr. Lewis and you are watching YouTube channel ALEVELCAMS. In this lecture we will solve, let's say we are with the slopy roof and these are the vertices mentioned over here. So we have to find the coordinates of A and F. A is this one which is along the x-axis, y-axis and let's say K, J and I. So the coordinates of B represent, we have to move along A along the x-axis 4 and along y 5. So the coordinates of A are 4 0 0. Similarly the coordinates of C can be written as 0 5 0 and F is x-axis and k-axis, so mean x and z-axis, y is 0, x is 4, y is 0 and E height is equal to the F. So the coordinates of F are this one. So to find angle FPQ we need vector PF and PQ. The F point is 4 3, so OF OP and PQ OQ OP. What is Q? What is P? So to find angle FPQ so the angle FPQ is cos inverse and this is 114.095 degree. Because this value is negative, this means it lies in a second quadrant and second quadrant is angle between 90 to 180. So your angle is 114.095. So to find the angle EPF we need EPF, this one angle we need FP and PE. So we have PF, so we have to find PE which is OE minus OP. What is OE? What is OP? And you have, so the angle EPF is defined as PE dot product PF PE magnitude PF magnitude. So you can see from here what is PE magnitude, PF and PE dot PF. Take dot product, you have cos inverse minus 2 and minus 1 by 3 means cos inverse of minus 1 by 3 is 109.471 degree. This is your answer. In the third part we are given the information, the owner of the house taking two streamers from O to G and A to H such that they claim the OG streamer is perpendicular to AH. Is this claim is true or not? We have to check this one. So what is OG? OG is 453. What is AH? OH minus OA. What is OH? 053. Now we calculate to check that they are perpendicular to each other or not. We find its dot product. Its dot product is minus 16, 25 or 9. It is not equal to 0. If the both streamer are perpendicular to each another, then the dot product will be 0. So it is not equal to 0. It means the streamer or the diagonal, geometrically we can say the diagonal are not perpendicular to each other. This is your answer.